So Builderall has changed this design of the home page, and this is a game. You see when you choose the language. Can you guess which one of those languages has a mistake? Of course, it will not be English, but Spanish, Italian, Portuguese, German, or French. So we will open them here, and then you have a little time more to guess which one. If you know Builderall and the story, I'm sure you will guess right. Okay, 3, 2, 1, now. So the answer is French, of course. When you click on the French, there is an error. If you click on any others, no error. So you will say, oh, the French, they are always complaining. Yeah, but it's true, this is a national sport, but sometimes it is not unwarranted. And in the case of Builderall, French complaining is correct. I mean, it's easy, very easy to complain. So that's why Builderall is perfect for French people, because once they have their account, they can complain all day long without forcing, without any effort. You see, this is a Spanish, has the new design, good. Of course, because Spanish is the second language of USA. Then you have Italian, no new design. And this is surprising because in the past, the Italian community was very active in, such as also the German community, but no new design. And the Portuguese don't have. And this is strange because Builderall was from Brazil mainly. But now that it has been sold, it's not the case. So English and Spanish, yes, it makes sense. Because the new owners are just Americans. And then you have the German, also very surprising. German community didn't have time to update. But this is normal because now the new direction is all about the company, American company, and the communities, maybe they will catch up. We will see. And then you have the French. It's like this. The link is bad. It's not working. But of course, if you go to the real link, you have still the old page of Builderall. So it's like the other communities, but on the site, on here, I mean, they managed to put a bad link to the official site. So you see, again, the French community. But there is no French community, in fact, in Builderall. It was a try, but it never went anywhere because they are complaining too much, I guess, and rightly so, in fact. But that's how it is. Bye-bye.